So hi everyone, you can see this is the traveling microscope. So I will explain you how to make the measurements using traveling microscope. Okay. So first you should know the parts of the traveling microscope. This is the screw to adjust the vertical movement, and this is the eyepiece, and this is the knob to adjust the movement of eyepiece. Then this is the knob to adjust the horizontal movement. Okay, and these are leveling screws. And here first important thing is this is the scale, vertical scale, mean scale, and this is vernier scale. Okay, similarly this is the horizontal scale, main scale reading, and this is vernier scale reading. So this knob is used to make the larger movements. Okay, so if in your experiment, if you want to measure some parameters, then you require traveling microscope to measure the smallest distances. Then just I will show you with one example. For example, so we have this diffraction pattern. So we need to differentiate the 0 to different orders of the pattern. So the central bright spot is a 0th order. Then remaining lines you can just distinguish them. So yeah, we have to mark with we have to take on paper and mark with pencil. Then we can use the traveling microscope to distinguish the different orders. So I have marked this diffraction pattern with using pen. Okay, then you should take this pattern and keep here in front of the eyepiece, and after that you need to adjust this eyepiece to this 0th order. Okay, cross mark. Then you need to measure the, here you require horizontal scale. Okay, main scale reading and vernier scale reading you should note down. I have adjusted this eyepiece to the 0th order. So first you should note down here the main scale reading. Okay, so where you start taking reading, you can just note down that main scale reading. Here it is around nearly 0th of the vernier should coincide with the main scale, that is around 11.5. okay, 11.4, nearly 11.5. so then that you should take it as MSR 11.5. then CVD, which line is coinciding to the main scale, you should write down among 50 lines. That is so here it is around 21 or 21. So you can note down that. Okay, as vernier scale reading, and least count of this traveling microscope is 0.001. So before going to do any calculation, first we should know the how to measure least count. So here vertical or horizontal scale, if we take it has total 20 centimeter of length. So 1 centimeter has 20 divisions. So we can write main scale reading as 1 divided by 20. The formula for least count, main scale reading to the number of divisions on vernier scale. So here vernier scale, as we know, there are 50 divisions. So we can write main scale reading divided by number of divisions on vernier scale, that is 1 divided by 20 into 50,000. So least count is going to be 0.001 centimeter. So this will be helpful for the calculation of total reading. So here I will show you some of the examples for calculation of total reading from traveling microscope. If this MSR total reading is equal to MSR plus CVD into least count. So how much MSR value you have, you should put here. Then CVD, how much among 50 lines, how much you get, write down that here 6, and least count is 0.001. Then you will get the total reading. So like that you can just make the measurements using traveling microscope. So it is very useful to make the smallest measurements. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.